and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Police official to take help of Delhi police to crack the sex racket after Prudent Media's Operation Flash. Dayanand Narvekar blames Digambar Kamath for dropping him from the cabinet. Dharamveer fame Rajat Tokas in Goa. And training camp for Indian footballers is underway at Kunkoli. Praful Patel assures Football Academy at Kunkoli. Now the news in detail. After Operation Flash by Prudent Media exposed the sex trade via internet services, police officials are on their toes to reach the core. Police officials are all geared to sting the perpetrator. Goa police would seek assistance of Delhi police to crack the shell.
After Operation Flash carried out by Prudent Media, Goa police are already investigating into the matter. By now, the police have traced one mobile number and would investigate more till they reach to the root of the racket. Speaking to Prudent Media, DYSP of Crime, C.S. Salgaonkar disclosed more on investigation.
As I have told you earlier also, this inquiry we are monitoring, we are verifying this information from different angles, and I am sure that we will come to some conclusion in that.
You have contacted Delhi police, the one number has been traced from Delhi.
That I have already disclosed, that one number which was supplied to us by your this thing, that we have verified and we have found that that is from the Delhi. We will try to contact them.
Contact to Delhi.
Contact to Delhi police.
Goa police are trying their level best to unearth the people who are involved in a sex racket. They are confident that they will succeed and book the culprit. In Panjim, with Sunny Narvekar, this is Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media.
Former Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar blames Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for dropping him from the cabinet.
The fact is well known that Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had dropped Dayanand Narvekar from ministry to induct Babushman Serrat in the cabinet. This was the first time that Narvekar spoke out in detail after this dropping and inducting issue.
नक्की किती केले गव्हर्नमेंट सांभाळणे म्हाका गोंयकारांकय जाणून घेवपाची इच्छा आसा.
दोनदा असो प्रसंग येयलो की कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ग्रावंडाचेर जो कितें उठाव जालो गोंयान, तो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ग्रावंडाचेरूच कसो मोडप हे म्हाजे एज ए लॉयर, एज ए लेजिस्लेटिव्ह अफेर्स मिनिस्ट्री जे खूब वर्साचे म्हाजे जे योगदान आसा आनी तितून एक्सपिरियन्स आसा, ते एक्सपिरियन्स आमी वापरले आनी त्या टायमार अशी डिसिजनां कॅबिनेटीन घेवपाक लायली. इवन चडशी डिसिजनां हांवें डिक्टेट केल्ली. या टायमार अशें करूंक जाय, ह्या टायमार अशें करूंक जाय, ह्या टायमार हे करूंक.
Narvekar made it clear that government would have collapsed the same day, the day on which the tragic accident took place at Pedne in February 2008. But it was only his efforts and knowledge which saved the government.
टी ब्रेक जातकीर हांव स्पिकराक मेळपाक गेलो. आतां सांगपाक कांय हरकत ना आनी स्पिकराक सांगलें की ही असेंब्ली एडजर्न जावंक जाय. तर स्पिकर म्हणलो जावं शकना म्हणून. हांव म्हटलें जावं शकना कित्याक आमी असेंब्ली कॉल केल्या आनी असेंब्ली चलप हे गव्हर्मेंटाचें मेन काम. जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटूच म्हणटा की असेंब्ली आमी चलोवंक सोदिनात तेन्ना यू कॅनॉट स्टॉप मी. तो म्हणलो तुमी ट्राय करा, आपूण पळयता कितें एक्चुअली कितें करतले तें आमी सांगूंक नासले. म्हणून आमी मागीर भितर येयले आनी टी ब्रेकाक सगळ्यांनी थारायलें की आतां बॉब
मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या चेंबरा भितर मिटींग
हय आनी बॉब मारपाचें सुरू करपाचें म्हणून. हांगा एक्सिडेंट जाला, इतले लोक मेल्यात, इतले लोक मेल्यात, तर त्या लोकांक कोणूच हांगा कितें चलयता काय म्हणून
गव्हर्मेंटाचेर बॉब मारपाची
हे सुत्रात चालू केलें भितर. बाबू आजगांवकर मेन आसलो, बाकीचे उबे रावले आनी असेंब्ली एडजर्न जाली ऑटोमॅटीक.
Narvekar totally blamed Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for his removal from ministry.
ही एक सवय जाल्या प्रत्येक मुख्यमंत्र्याक. हांगासरले तशें न्हू, सबंद जे मुख्यमंत्री आसा की आपणाचेर फाल्यां जे कितें आपूण डिसिजन घेतात ते आपणाचेर बुमरँग जावचें न्हू म्हणून एक कोणाक तरी हेवटेन तेवटेन ते मेळटात आनी तांकां सांगतात हें आपूण करूं, तें आपूण करूं. ते सांगतात तुका जाय जाल्यार तुज्या हेजेर तुज्या लेवलाचेर तूं कर, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर वॉट एवर एक्शन यू टेक. finally decision is taken by a chief minister to drop a minister or induct a minister. तो power दिल्ला से.
Speaking on the removal of Dodda Ganesh from his employment, Narvekar said that he is an employee of Goa Cricket Association and association has all the right to remove him.
No, there is no controversy. These are administrative decisions. Dodda Ganesh cannot have controversy with Goa Cricket Association.
Yeah, but then the decision was very crucial.
The decision was
very crucial.
So I am the employee. You are allowed to sack him. You are allowed to take him.
You can watch more on Narvekar on Monday at 7:30 in the evening exclusively on Prudent Media. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Rajat Tokas, a TV actor who shot to fame with the characters he played in the series Dharti Ka Veer Yodha Prithviraj Chauhan and recently gained more popularity with Dharamveer, is in Goa with more limelight. Watch more about Rajat Tokas.
Rajat Tokas, the young budding star, is in state to perform a charitable program for the mentally challenged children. During his practicing session, we had an exclusive chat with him. He shared his experience in the television industry after working from last 3 years.
शो है, मेरा पहला डांसिंग शो है लाइफ का और मतलब मैं डांसिंग शो सिर्फ इसलिए रख रहा हूँ और या फिर इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब बीइंग एन एक्शन हीरो मैं डांस भी अच्छा कर सकता हूँ। लोगों ने मुझे अब तक एक्शन ही देखा है, एक्शन ही करते हुए देखा है और सीरियस रोल में देखा है, लेकिन थ्रू दिस डांस शो मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि देखो मैं मतलब डांस करने के कैपेबल भी हूँ।
He also shared his dreams with us in an exclusive chat that he intends to become a film star.
फ्यूचर जस्ट मैं भी अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ, मार्शल आर्ट्स और डांस ज़्यादा अपना परफेक्शन ला रहा हूँ उनमें और थोड़ा फिज़िकली फिट हो रहा हूँ। और मेरे जो 2 मेगा शोज़ थे पृथ्वी और धर्मवीर, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि या फिर ये 2 मेगा शोज़ हैं इन्हीं की तरह कोई तीसरा मेगा शो करूँ या फिर कोई मूवी करूँ। मतलब मेरी कोशिश तो यही रहेगी कि कोई मूवी करूँ और अब तक किसी का ऑफ़र आया नहीं और मैं चाहता हूँ कोई ना कोई ऑफ़र करे क्योंकि सब लोगों ने मुझे देखा हुआ है कि मतलब मेरे कैपेसिटी कितनी है और मैं क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ।
He also explained us his main aim behind performing at the show.
इस शो के थ्रू मैं मतलब गोवा में जितने भी बच्चे हैं, मेंटली रिटार्डेड बच्चे हैं, उनकी मैं मदद कर रहा हूँ और मेरा पूरा ग्रुप है, सानन है, वरना है और अवध है, जो भी मेरे दोस्त हैं वो सब लोग हम सब मिलकर जितने भी बच्चे हैं उनकी मदद कर रहे हैं। और डांस शो जैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि पहला डांस शो है जस्ट दिखाने के लिए कि मैं डांस भी अच्छा कर सकता हूँ। अदरवाइज़ मैं इंडिया में कुछ 106 या 110 सिटीज़ हैं जहाँ पे मैं एज अ चीफ गेस्ट या फिर एज अ गेस्ट या फिर जस्ट ऐसे ही शो में चला जाता हूँ।
Our reporter from Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.